here with another unboxing, and man, I'm glad on this pickup right here. It's all, the shoe already been out, but they had a restock. Caught it on Soul Link. Shout out to Soul Links. They had a restock on Nike. Was able to get lucky and grab a pair. As you can tell in the thumbnail, all blacks. They call like the Anthracite or Anthracite, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, man. Like y'all help me out in the comments how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna call them the all black, triple black, black on black, blacks. Yeah, so all black box, man. Like, you know, coming with Nike. You know, by the way, man, like on FedEx, I'll see those videos about them, man, like how they treat packaging and stuff, man. This bad boy came in a box, man. Like, it was in a locker box. It was locked up, but man, the box wasn't even secure. Like, it has a little tape where you're supposed to remove it to stick the box down. Nah, it wasn't even removed. My box was open, like shoes exposed, everything, but as you can see, not damaged or nothing, you know. But let's go with that, man. It's the FedEx. Come on, man, like, do better than that. You got the paper. It might look clear in there, but like nice little Nike filling paper. Let's get to what's inside them bad boys. Woo! Man, how could a shoe so simple be so dope? So I'm not a big foam dude, but I'm big on the pennies, man. I miss Penny, you know, that's my dog right there. 90s, you know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know about Penny Hardaway, you know what I mean? So let's just go, you know, classic Foamposite, you know, penny emblem right there. Foams, you always gotta go a little bigger on them because when you put them on, true to a basketball shoe, they have like a shoe inside of the shoe, so you kind of gotta put them on. So if you, I don't know if you can see kind of right there where it dips in. So if you're a 9.5, get a 10. If you're 11, you get 11.5, etc., etc. So, man, this is like definition of black on black, because it's not like a black and a charcoal and all this other type of stuff. It's really, you know, black on black. So you got different materials on there, but like nice little smooth leather on the side, you know. Is it, I don't know if it's leather more than like kind of plastic and what they know for, foam maybe, but this little edge right here, suede. On the inside you got the black webbing and then the black laces. You know, you could do the lace swap if you want to, but you know, I don't necessarily suggest it. You don't really need to. That's what these shoes are meant to be, black on black. Turn them around with the penny emblem right there. Bam. You know, so oh, underneath you got the penny emblem. You got that non-skid, like, hey, not gonna slide on anything. Hey, like anti-grease grip, toughness on the bottom, you know what I mean? And that's pretty much the shoe right there, you know what I mean? But let me know in the comments, man, for all you foam fans, like, y'all like to tear these up? Y'all like to hoop in these, or he's just purely for display? For me, you know, don't be purely for display. You know, I'm gonna put them on. I had some all black shoes in a while. You know, all black's got that stigma, but that stigma to them. But not these, buddy. Not these. Not these. Hey, oh, these are definitely welcome ones to the collection, man. You know, so welcome home. That's what I'm talking about. But let me know if there's a cop or a drop for you. I know these shoes came out prior to this, but I got them on the restock. So hey, I ain't mad. You know what I mean? Last thing I want to touch base with y'all, man. I got some bad news today from one of my friends. One of my friends in high school texted me, asked me if I know a gentleman in he was we looked on his Facebook post and he had passed, man. So passed of COVID-19. I'm assuming complications, you know, 'cause that's what usually the virus is gonna take you out of, you know. But it's just kind of sad, man. Like it's thousands, not thousands. It's drones of people passing, getting infected. It's you know, crazy pandemic. You know, the definition of that is what it is. But just continue to be safe, man. Try to avoid big gatherings. Wash your hands. You know, like wear your mask and stuff like that, man. You know, just be, if it's not for yourself, be considerate of others. You know, good brother that passed, man. Young. You know, I'm he's like 1 year older than me, so it's just kind of sad. And I just remember him on his Facebook talking about how he had an office outbreak, and his one of actually somebody in his office passed as well, but she was older. Now they got him. He said he was feeling a little better, but man, it's just a tough pill to swallow, especially when you actually know somebody that is hitting home with. So man, y'all just be safe and take care of each other out there, man. And you know, just stay distant, man. It's kicking up. You know, I don't know what else to say, man. You know, take care of each other.
Track.